Guys, it's another miserable day, as you can maybe see. I think it's gonna rain on Thursday. Yeah, I got my hair up just to get changed. But yeah, so I'm picking up Carlos and Cody later, so that'll be fun. And yeah, I'm really tired. Bye guys.
So, I'm the star of the vlog as per usual. There we are. I don't want to talk anymore.
Right, we just found the food. The sister, I'm eating the Pringles. Shan eating the popcorn.
Oh no, that's you. Oh shit, sorry. To get it, because you're trash. Oh. I'm joking, really.
Yeah, so we're walking back to school. I got all the dickheads in front of us.
Hashtag free.
No, not you two them. Hashtag what?
Free.
Me?
Yeah, fair play. Talking to a camera like.
Dickhead. I can make money from this in a few years' time.
Yeah, when you get like 100 plus subscribers.
Yeah, exactly.
Got 6 actually.
Yeah.
7 actually. I have 143. It's on brand that. I don't have one. Woo!
I subscribe to you.
Oh, I have 1. Woo! No, I don't. I have 5.
Yeah, you got 5.
Hey! I've only posted 1 video, but hey!
Bye guys.
At the minute, it's more gaming videos and vlogging videos people are watching. So. I don't get why people just don't watch me. Even though I'm not in any of mine, because my one's alright back. My one's me meeting my internet friends. No. I've seen that stuff. Oh no, the fans! I'm dried in this vlog, I'm gonna look terrible.
This way back.
Wait, you put that in, like fucking break your neck. Oh, just a minute then. It looked like Lily and Josh rolling hands then. They got so close, look, they were holding hands.
Looking up and down like that.
Why are you filming me?
Because I'm fab.
I know I'm fabulous and all that, but God. Let me have some privacy, I can't be dealing with the paps, get away. I've already pulled that one today, can't
My fans like being in the vlog. Vlog joke, I'm not fans.
You have no friends.
Excuse you.
Since I'm your friend. I mean, I'm your idol, so if I class my fans as friends, then you can be one.
I win.
I'm your friend, Beck.
Oh, thanks, Shan.
You left me in England? Left me in English? Quite buddy.
Yeah, I think I'd call this kid a bird. She doesn't like birds.
I want to go home. I want to go home.
Excuse you. You're going to be in there, don't you, guys? You said it yesterday.
Hello.
I've posted for this long.
If I back, subscribe to me, Emily Julie. No.
Where the fuck are you going, God?
Nothing.
Well, I look disgusting right now. So, we're waiting for Caris. Oh, those fucking dogs keep barking. See, like in. Hiya, Cod.
Oh my God. I'm trying to find your vlog for yesterday. Alright, now on. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for what? What are you thanking people for?
For 6 subscribers. Oh, she lost my life. Fans. Bye, guys. Right, hey guys. So, I just found this vlog.
Oh wait, is there somebody calling it? Right, where's your owner? I think that's him. Where? But there, look, around here, I just need to call him.
We don't know whose dog it is. Where's it?
Excuse me?
No, I don't think it is.
Oh my god, no, 'cause I'm gonna cry. Oh, he's a cute dog. Is
Yeah.
it he or she? I'm not
He was literally
checking.
running across the road.
Is he?
He was literally running across the road and a car has picked him up. And we have no idea who it belongs to.
Stuck!
We're going to go on the
I feel like
path.
people are gonna think that I've stolen my dog and I haven't. Oh, we're gonna have to take it back.
Oh, you're
We're gonna
really-
have to do it.
I think
Right,
he's
we'll
thirsty.
take him into the park.
He's
Yeah,
thirsty.
these dogs get really thirsty really easily.
Thirsty boy?
We're gonna have to go to the shop and buy dog food. We'll have to do it. We have to bring it back to my house. I'm not leaving the dog.
So,
I did.
okay, so we brought the dog back to Cody's. And Cass is having a joy because she's taking selfies of the dog. She's funny. And Cody's on the phone to the RSPCA, but she can't get a hold of them. Like, we just bought dog food.
And his name's Bay.
His name is not Bay.
His name is Bay. What was that? Are you fucking kidding me? Becca.
You're not doing your job properly.
Becca.
What?
Show me. Bay. Bay.
Why am I supposed to call the police?
Right,
I can't call the police if it's a lost animal. You fucking idiot.
Right, what's the non-emergency number?
So, she's stressed.
No, I'm not stressed. They are a PCA. Blood of shit, like. Sorry, we don't collect stray animals. You have to ring the council. No, because they'll send you to a fucking kennel if it's get treated properly.
But if it's not collected within 7 days in a kennel, then it'll be put down. No.
It's a bunch of dog rats. And it doesn't even get treated properly anyway.
I know.
Stupid. Oh, you stress me.
Okay, it's a biscuits. Do you want biscuits?
He doesn't eat
No.
them.
I know he doesn't, but he still thinks he does. And he doesn't.
There's like half a biscuit on the floor.
Okay, so it's a Pomeranian. It's like the poor dog. I think he likes the camera.
That's a camera hole.
What?
He said he's a camera hole. You love the attention, don't you? Stop filming me. Biscuit. You don't want a biscuit, do you? Where the fuck are you going with my biscuit? You little fucker. That was my biscuit.
I'll let you guys know.
Don't take it from
Oh,
me.
sorry.
Bring it back. That's mine. Right, babe.
You're worried about an animal that's a stray or a thunder that's missing. And then click that. So I clicked it. It started ringing and said, sorry, we don't deal with stray animals.
That is my biscuit. You're not going to eat this. Why are you taking it from me? That's my question. Fucking little shit.
It's not
Ah.
a stray, like, it's missing.
Ah. Oh, did you see?
So what am I supposed to do with it now? I'm not sending it to a guy now.
Oh, God. Oh, watch this now. Expecting the biscuit.
I'm not going to send it to a guy now.
You are an angel.
I know, but after 7 days they put it down if it hasn't been found anyway.
Oh, that's cute.
I threw it.
Where's that crazy dog lady? Do you reckon she'll look after it?
Okay, right. Ready? Go! JK, got it! Oh. This is the cute.
Yeah, I'll have a
This is
look
fun.
into
This is
that.
fun. It's gone. It's gone. Woo! Oh.
I want to do dog cam.
Dog cam.
Do you know what that is?
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, your hair looks gorgeous when you're blowing through the wind, by the way. Just saying. Dog compliment.
Let's have a look.
We need to make a dramatic vine of this dog.
I'm going to fast motion this. I could do it. My vlog. Do that fast motion with that song playing.
Yeah,
What's it called?
we did an actual toy for this thing to fetch. You brought me back a crumb. This isn't good enough. And are you eating it? No, you're gonna choke. Drop it. Drop.
I
I want to choke.
I'm gonna try and bring dogs trust.
I just realised there's food now. Right, let's find something else to fetch. What about this pipe?
No, because I'm choke on that.
No, it's fetch me.
No, it might do. That's all
Okay.
right.
Come here. Go find something like that, perhaps. Like a box.
Right, he's bringing the biscuit back.
You found the biscuit, did you? You decided to bring it back. I see. Give it to me then. I'm here. Oh, you decided to eat the biscuit. Okay,
I'm gonna climb through the window.
that was fun.
It wasn't hot.
You wanted to play fetch all that time.
Okay, do it again.
Oh, wait for it. Wait for it. Unless we
We're
know them,
taking-
then fuck.
Taking the dog to the vet.
Elijah.
Carl's named him. So hopefully
What are you doing here?
the vet will do something. I'll keep you posted. Out from me. Yeah, what's your name of the dog? Carl.
What?
What's your name of the dog?
Elijah.
What's filming?
I'm still pissed at the RSPCA.
You really just point to 9.
No,
Yeah, but it's small, medium, but 2 for 4 is just 45.
Just took a video of me looking for that.
Yeah.
Stop filming me.
I should probably ring my auntie and be like, the RSPCA have a very angry message off me, you know.
Well, I thought it would be shit.
But if my dog went missing, nobody would get it. This is a German Shepherd. People would want it.
Oh yeah, people don't like German
So,
Shepherds.
if you can get found, because nobody would pick it up.
I literally, do you know when it goes, I'm going to cry.
Stay on.
Not yet, because I'm on the phone.
Thank you very